So here we go. I'm going to use the Bible to prove the earth is flat according to the Bible. Now, let's remember though, first, in Jeremiah 5:21, it says, "Hear this now, O foolish people, without understanding, who have eyes and not see, and who have ears and not hear." That is what they're telling us, and it's 100% true, because a lot of people are reading this book and they're not reading it, they're not seeing it. A lot of people are listening to their pastors, but they're not hearing it, because they're being taught incorrectly. All right, Job 26:10, he drew a circular horizon on the face of the waters. A circular horizon. Well, for one thing, a circle is two-dimensional. Two-dimensional is flat. A circle could be a table. A table is flat. Psalm 19, the heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. The firmament, talking about the firmament above us. And that explains rainbows and a whole bunch of stuff. But we're not going to get into that right now. It says, he rejoices like a strong man and run its race. Its rising is from one end of the heaven, and its circuit to the other end. It's talking about the sun on a circuit. What do we mean a circuit? Because a circuit goes around a circle. A circuit is a racetrack. A racetrack is a circle. Psalm 104:5, you who laid the foundations of the earth so that it should not be moved forever. Which means the earth is not moving. So if science tells us that the earth is spinning 1,000 miles an hour, going 66,700 miles an hour around the sun and chasing the sun through the galaxy 500,000 miles an hour plus. That's what science says, but it's strange because, again, the book says that the earth is set on its foundations and it shall never be moved. Psalm 104:5. Interesting. Let's see. Proverbs 8:27. When he prepared the heavens, I was there. When he drew a circle on the face of the deep. Again, with the word circle, and a circle is flat. A circle is two-dimensional. Let's see, Isaiah 11:12. He will set up a banner for the nations. He will assemble the outcast of Israel and gather together the dispersed of Judah from the four corners of the earth. Wait a minute. How can the earth have four corners if it's a ball? Balls don't have corners. However, the earth model that I've seen, the biblical model that looks like this, it has four corners. It's a circle, the circuit that the sun is on, a circle. And the earth is a flat plane, flat, which means it has corners. A ball doesn't have corners, okay? Isaiah 39:22. It is he who sits above the circle of the earth. Again, the circle of the earth. Weird. If the earth was a ball, that would be a sphere. A ball is three-dimensional, okay? A circle is two-dimensional. A circle and a ball aren't the same thing. Matthew 4:8. Again, the devil took him up on an exceedingly high mountains and showed him all the kingdoms of the world in their glory. So he went up on a high mountain and he could see all the kingdoms. You can't see all the kingdoms on a ball. You can't see everything on a ball because there's other sides of the ball. Okay? There's corners on a flat earth, not on a ball, unfortunately. All right? Let's see. Let me keep going here because it honestly never ends. There are so many places in this book that tells you that it's a circle, which is flat, and that it doesn't move. If you want to learn more, go to my website, withthesun33.com. No, I'm not a Freemason. With the sun is my name in Latin. 33 is the numerology of the name. But I have so many tabs in this book because I'm trying to explain to people that they're reading it wrong. And if you read it correctly, it will change your life. It will change your perspective on everything. Okay? Understanding this book will change the whole thing, but also understanding that your priest and your pastor has been deceiving you. All right? Learn to read it correctly. I love you all. This is my opinion.